Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the serial number on your Nintendo Switch, and this is very easy to do. You can do this when it's actually turned on. You don't need to look on the back of it. You can go to System Settings under here, scroll on down, go to System, go to the right, go on down under here, and go to where it says Serial Information. Select this. Then you can see your console serial number right here, the console battery, the Joy-Con left and right, and then you should be good to go. Now you should be able to find the serial number on the back of your Nintendo Switch as well. If you look very hard, you can see the ID. And the serial number will be this little barcode thing right here, just on the bottom, so you can see the USB. And then I can see the numbers, so it's like XK something. So just look on the bottom of it, or look in this menu right here. You should be able to find it easy. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.